Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video tutorial, I will show you how to cancel your Netflix membership account on your phone. If you also looking to cancel Netflix automatic payments and looking to prevent future auto debits, then this video guide will help you. So what you need to do is simply launch the app on your phone first. After that, select your account, and now you need to click on your account over here. After that, click on three line icon and then click on account option. After that, go below and here you can see an option of cancel membership. Simply click on this and further it will ask you few details, and after that your membership will be cancelled, and further there will be no auto debit from next month. Your Netflix account will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. You will not be charged again after that period, but you can also restart your membership at any time. So through this process you can easily cancel your membership on Netflix, and but you can also go for other methods by simply going to netflix.com and signing to your account, and after that you need to click on account and then under membership and billing you need to cancel your membership. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.